Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ShopMissA haul. I grabbed a few repeat purchases that I was running low on or got out of, and then just a handful of new items. 2 sponges, the AOA Studio Super Soft Paw Paw Wonder Blender. I purchased this one many times. These are latex free and they're $1.55. Amazingly soft. Great sponges. I've also had this one in the past but in a different color, and it's the AOA Studio the Mochi Wonder Blender. This is also latex free and it's their high definition sponge. This one is $1.88, but I need a couple new face sponges. I also needed some brush soap because the last time I ordered, I didn't realize, but I just ordered sponge soap, but I really needed the brush soap. Both work wonderful. They come in this tin can. They're $1.55, and this one is in peach. This is my favorite brush soap you can get on the site. And once again, I purchased this one many times as well. Lasts a long time as well. I usually only have to order these sponges and lash glue and brush soap and stuff once a year. I really wanted to order more of the razors, the ShopMissA AOA Studio like razor line that they have, but they didn't have those in stock that day, so this is what I got. And I did get another lash adhesive from AOA Studio. These are $1.88. They come in clear and they come in black, and this was my favorite one. It works fantastic. To me, this is comparable to Duo at a fraction of the price. Love this one. We'll always repurchase this. And some new purchases from the website. I did pick up this AOA Studio set of wood nail files. There's 5 in here for $1. I like that they're larger, but you get 5. I also was interested in trying this AOA Studio dermaplaning face razor. This was $1. Like that. I wanted to go back to some brow powder products, so I picked up the AOA Studio brow powder. You get 2 brow powders. I'm pretty sure this was only $1. It comes with a little brush. I got dark. I would have got medium, but it was more warm toned. And I don't need a warm tone brow product. I need a more cool tone product. So I can't wait to try this out. Okay, not near as dark as it looks in the pan, which I like. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm going to be using these also in a ShopMissA video soon. I like trying out new eyebrow products. I'm really picky, but I do like trying out new ones. And a couple new lip products. They had some new lip oils. These are called the AOA Studio Oh Honey Lip Oils. What a strange wand in there. Well, strange to me. I don't own anything with a wand that looks like that. But they had these in I think 3 or 4 different scents. I got honey and vanilla, because I really love lip oil and I cannot go wrong with those 2 scents, flavors, whatever you want to call it. But I'm excited for these. And I picked up this Shine Dew from AOA Studio. Those were $1 each, and I believe this was at least $1.55 or $1.88. And this is a lip treatment glaze. Basically, it's a lip gloss meeting a lip oil is what the website says. And I just got the most neutrally shade that they had available. This is in Silk. Has a light shimmer to it. I can't wait to try this out as well. And the last and final item that I picked up is they have a new line of perfumes and stuff available on the site. These are from the A2O Lab, And they have, I think, 4 scents to choose from. They're $3 each. And this one is Vanilla Lullaby. And this is the Plum, Freesia, Sandalwood, and Sunflower. It smells really good. I've already tried. It still lingers on my wrist. I've had this on for several hours now. It smells so nice. And I thought that it would be smaller as well, but I'm not mad at it. $3. And it's a decent size. I'm curious about trying the other scents. And I think it has really cute packaging. And that is everything that I picked up from ShopMissA. I also had rewards and I got $5 off of this entire order. So all of these items that I just shared only cost $18, and that included the shipping and taxes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other comments, questions regarding any of the products shown in the video, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional ShopMissA links. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.